Cash App Crypto Investment Platform Usage Experience. Cash App Crypto Investment Platform is a streamlined and user-friendly solution for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrency with ease. Designed for beginners and seasoned investors alike, Cash App makes crypto investing accessible by integrating it seamlessly into its widely used mobile payment app. With Cash App, you can buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin directly within the app, eliminating the need for a separate crypto wallet or exchange account. Transactions are fast and transparent, with real-time market data and minimal fees displayed upfront. The platform supports recurring purchases, making it convenient for dollar-cost averaging, a strategy to mitigate market volatility. Security is a priority, featuring two-factor authentication, data encryption, and the ability to transfer Bitcoin to external wallets for extra safety. One standout feature is its simplicity. The interface is intuitive with minimal jargon, ensuring even first-time users can navigate the process with confidence. Cash App provides educational resources that mystify Bitcoin, helping users understand the basics of cryptocurrency before diving in. For advanced users, it offers tools like price alerts to monitor market fluctuations. However, it's important to note that Cash App supports only Bitcoin, which may limit users seeking a broader range of cryptocurrencies. This platform is perfect for individuals who prioritize convenience and security while exploring cryptocurrency investment. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or simply test the waters, Cash App combines functionality with accessibility, making it a reliable choice. My experience with the platform has been seamless, with smooth transactions, responsive customer support, and clear fee structures. If you're ready to start your crypto journey or want a straightforward way to manage Bitcoin investments, Cash App Crypto Investment Platform delivers a satisfying experience tailored to your needs.